Hi friends, we are going to make this beautiful 4-layer Irish Crochet 3D motif. This piece is non-padded. I am going to put up a video soon of one that is padded. I'll be padding it with Irish Crochet Classic cord, and the pattern comes from this Irish Crochet book, and this is pattern number 17. We have patterns number 1 through 16 up already. Please check them out. For this video, I'm using this green yarn that I've got lying around, reaching for my 3.5mm crochet hook. Let's get into it. We're going to go ahead and secure our yarn like that, and then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain, and we're going to drop 10 single crochets in this center space. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain space there. So we've got this nice center to work around. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the next chain space, we are going to drop a double crochet. And then we're going to do chain 2. In the next chain space, we're going to drop a double crochet. We're going to carry on going around until we've got 10 of these double crochet chains that we can work on to next. So I've chained 2, double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need one more, so chain 2, and the last one, double crochet. And now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to connect back to the first space just by slip stitching there like that. So that's the base of our motif complete. We're going to go ahead and make petals into these spaces here. For the first round, the pattern is as follows. Slip stitch into the space. The pattern doesn't ask you to slip stitch, but I always slip stitch because I feel like it just defines the petals a little bit more. So we've slip stitched. What we're going to do is we're going to drop a single crochet, gonna drop a half double crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and I am indeed gonna just drop a slip stitch. We're gonna follow that pattern all the way around. I'm gonna take you through the next one, then I'm gonna speed up. So slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. So your work should be looking something like this. I am going to speed up the video and meet you back here. So if you're following along, please pause right here. To finish off with, I am just going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first petal just to balance the work out. So your work should be looking something like this. Let's crack on with row 2. Row 2, we need to make back posts. So chain 3, turn your work around, and we are going to single crochet or slip stitch into these spaces here. So single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in between these 2 petals, chain 3, single crochet, 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 chain 3, and the last one. For the last one, I am just going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain 3 space just to balance the work out. Turn your work back around, and we are going to work the next round of petals into these back posts here. The chain 3 space by slip stitching, as I always do. I'm going to drop a single crochet. I'm going to do a half double crochet, and then I'm going to do 3 double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and then a slip stitch. So that's the pattern for row 2. I shall do another one with you, and then I'll meet you back when I've completed this round as always. So I'm going to slip stitch into the next space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, and then a slip stitch just to finish off. So that's the pattern for round 2. Again, I'm going to crack on and finish this and meet you back here. Then we're going to move on to row 3. So if you're following along with me, please pause here. As always, to finish off with, I am going to go ahead and just slip stitch into the first petal, and that is row 2, nice and complete. Look at making our row 3. This time we're going to chain 4, turn your work around, and we need to make the back posts. So again, we're going to single crochet or slip stitch in between the 2 petals, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet or slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last back post. And as always, I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain 4 space just to balance the work out. Turn your work around. As always, I'm going to start off by slip stitching into it. I'm going to drop a single crochet. I'm going to drop a half double crochet. I'm going to drop 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A half double crochet, a single crochet, and as always I am going to finish off with a slip stitch. Another petal with you, and then I'll crack on and speed on. So I've done a single crochet, a half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, a single crochet. That's the pattern for row 3. If you're following along, pause here. I'm going to meet you when I get back to here. As always, I'm going to slip stitch into the first petal, and your work should be looking something like this. Let's crack on with row 4, which is the final row. Again, we need to make back posts, so this time we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your back around. Back posts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back post, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back post, single crochet. 4, 5. Next back post, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back post, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back post, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the last one. And as always, I am just going to slip stitch into the first chain 5 back post space just to balance the work out. Turn your work around and let's crack on with the final row. As always, I'm going to slip stitch, I'm going to single crochet, I'm going to half double crochet. We're dropping 7 double crochets this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. So the last petal, of course, it's wider, it's larger, and it's more detailed. I'm going to do one more petal with you. So I've single crocheted. I'm going to half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet, single crochet. Voila. So I'm going to crack on with the last row, and I'm going to meet you when I get back here to show you the final result. And to finish off with, I am going to just go ahead and slip stitch into the first petal space. And that is our finished motif complete. I mean, guys, look at the size of that. That's huge. A beautiful 4-layer 3D Irish crochet piece. I hope that this video was helpful for you. I do have videos of motifs 1 through to 16 up already. I do have versions of padded and non-padded Irish crochet pieces. Motif 18 will be uploaded pretty soon, so keep your eyes out for that. But more than anything, friends, it doesn't cost you anything to. Please like, comment and subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. And please support a small channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.